You guys can't even like see my sweater. Just a little birdie with the Santa hat on. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am doing another holiday themed look. Did this cranberry shimmery eye with more of a nude lip. It's a little bit more of a simple, laid back holiday look compared to the last one that I did. I think this one's a little simpler, but it still looks just as pretty. Used the Kathleen ColourPop Dream Street palette. Love this, the shimmers in this, as you can see on my eyes. They're so beautiful. They're super metallic. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. Alright, so I already have my face primed with the e.l.f. Poreless face primer. Trying that out today. And then for foundation today we're using Urban Decay All Nighter. I have the shade 3. Squirt some out on my sponge. I think the shade's a little light for me, but I think with like bronzer and blush and everything, it'll be fine. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in light pale. I ripped the little sponge tip applicator off of mine because I feel like it soaks up a lot of product, and I don't actually use that little sponge tip to put it on anyway, and it's very dirty. So this way I can just squeeze out product right onto my sponge, and like I said, it doesn't soak up as much, and there's not like that bacteria being put right under your eyes then, because like you can wash your, you know, like one of these you can wash, but you can't really wash the little like foamy tip applicator that comes on these. Actually really, I'm liking that foundation. It feels like it's set down, so I don't think I'm gonna have to powder it, which is great. I have relatively oily skin, so the fewer products I have to put on, the better, because then it doesn't look so cakey. And especially putting on foundation and powdering my whole face and everything, it's just makes it pretty easy for things to start looking cakey. So I think I need to clean my vanity. Okay, and then to set under the eyes, I'm using Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. Finally got a new one. That's a beautiful sight. Alright. And then, like I said, I'm not going to powder my face. To contour, we're going to go in with the Wet n Wild MegaGlo contour palette again. I have not gotten a new one of these yet. Can't do all my shopping at once, you know. And this is just, I'm just using a Wet n Wild contour brush. And then just running whatever excess I have on my brush down the sides of my nose, just to do a little light contouring. Alright, and for blush, I'm trying out the Essence Mosaic blush. This is 40, the Berry Connection, and I'm going to use a nice big fluffy blush brush. This is a Morphe B47. Looks like this might have a little bit of a sheen to it, which I personally like. Because even though, like I said, I have kind of oily combination skin, I don't like for my whole face to be super matte, because like that's not how your skin naturally is, and I want my makeup to look as like my base makeup to look as natural and skin-like as possible. Yeah, I like that. That's really pretty. So now I'm going to do my brows really quick. And I'm, again, using the Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade in medium brown. And just using a little angled eyebrow brush. Mine's a little tiny mini one that it's like a travel brush kit. So that's one brow done. Little baby hairs just get everywhere. Alright, and then just carving them out a little bit with a flat-edged liner brush and some more of my concealer. I need to pluck my eyebrows so bad. It's one of those things, like, I never notice it until I'm, like, doing my eyebrows and I'm all up close and personal with them. But that's always when I'm getting ready to go somewhere and I don't have time to sit down and pluck them then. Okay, so brows are definitely like cousins today, not sisters, not twins. Barely related. But anyway, I'm going to get into the eyes, and I'm using the Kathleen Lights ColourPop Dream Street palette. And I'm going to start out with this first shade right here. As a transition shade. Alright, and then I'm going to go in very lightly with this shade. And like I said, lightly, because we don't want things to get too, like, hot pink. I just want to kind of add some of that, like, almost red to it, since this is, like, a holiday look. I don't know. Red and sparkles are the two things that make me think holidays. Just like that. Okay. And then there's so many pretty shimmers in this palette, but I think, oh, this is so hard. I don't know. We're gonna take this one. And wet that with some setting spray. God, this is such a mess right now, honestly. And I'm gonna pack this on the lid. Oh my god. Just on like 2/3, and then we're gonna put another color in the outer corner. So pretty. This is why I just feel like there's no need to spend a lot of money on makeup, because there are brands like ColourPop and Morphe and like drugstore brands that just are killing it. Like, their formulas are so good, so why would you spend, you know what I mean? Like, why spend so much money when you don't need to? And then I'm going to take this shade on a round fluffy brush and pack that into the outer corner. Yep, this is, And I'm also bringing that very lightly into the crease above that shimmer. and then we have a little bit of fallout, so I'm just going to dust that away with a nice big fluffy brush. So with a flat edge liner brush, I'm going to put some of this right up against the lower lash line. And then I'm going to smoke that out just a little bit with some of this on like a tapered. I'm pretty amazed that I even have any brushes to use to do this. And then on a super tiny little like flat brush, this is a Morphe M326. I'm going to put some of that like metallic shade that we put all over the lid, I'm going to put that along the lower lash line on like the inner corner. Alright, and then I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm sure you all know what mascara I'm using. L'Oreal Lash Paradise. I really like having that shimmer in the inner corner. It really like opens up the eyes, which I already have very big eyes, but this makes them look even bigger. I used to hate that I had big eyes, but I have more lid space for makeup, so it's a win for me. So all we have left to do now is highlight, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in Moonlight Pearls. For lips today, I'm going to use Maybelline Color Sensational Lipstick, and this is 920 Nude Lust. I'm mixing in a little bit of Estee Lauder Long Lasting Lipstick in 17 Pure Tea, I think, Rose Tea. Because Nude Lust was just a little too light, I thought. And then I'm going to set my face with my, if I drop one more thing making this video, I might cry. I'm going to set my face with Too Faced RX Primer / setting spray. And this is the completed look, you guys. I really wanted to do a nice kind of simple holiday look with a nude lip. If you're going to some kind of holiday party, if you're me anyway, you're eating a lot. Nude lips generally, because you know they're pretty nude and match the color of your lips, they wear off easier. Like you can't necessarily tell when they're wearing off as much, so that means you don't have to touch up your makeup as much, which means you can eat more, worry about your makeup less, and that just is like a win for me. So yeah, this still has like nice cranberry shimmery eye that really goes with the holiday season. So please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Go click the subscribe button down there. I post new videos every Wednesday, hoping this video goes up on a Wednesday anyway. It's Tuesday when I'm filming it, and I'm going to attempt to edit it by tomorrow and post it tomorrow. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.